Aberystwyth. Let's go on the steam train. Not sure where the train is.
Isn't it them up there? Is that not the way they got there? Very good at portraying.
It's practically vertical though.
I can't help it. I need to like shut myself a bit really. It's dangerous, but I don't realise it. Definitely a Valley of Rheidol.
That's two trains.
Wow, that's a much bigger train, isn't it?
Steam from the other train.
Left their bills out in the middle.
Yeah.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Oh, is that the power station? Yeah, there's the power station.
Wow.
So it's it just says power station. Oh look, there's the little falls down there. Look. off the train and we're just making our way down to the waterfall and the Devil's Bridge. Devil's Bowls Bridge. Devil's Bowl Bridge. I don't know. We're going to a bridge. It's got going to a bridge. It's got something to do with the devil. It's beautiful here. Absolutely gorgeous. We're 680 feet above sea level. Waterfall, nature trail, and the 3 bridges. Devil's Bridge is what it is. The Automobile Association. Look at this old place. Looks like something from America. Seems to be quite a steep bridge. Can't see anything over there yet. Oh, there's a campsite up here, Christo. Yeah. Well, that's a caravan underneath. Oh, this is pretty. Devil's Cauldron Top Bridge. Oh, there's the bridge, look.
Oh, yeah.
To view the punch bowl, to view the 3 bridges. We'll do the 3 bridges. Oh, this is it. This is the 3 bridges. Okay. Right, look at that bridge.
There's 3 bridges.
Yeah. 1901. 1931. Oh, so the first bridge is 11th century, the second bridge is 1753 and the third bridge is 1901. Legend had us believe that the devil built the first bridge which spans this deep gorge. The story says that he was bribing an old lady who needed a way to get her cow back after it had somehow wandered to the other side of the gorge. He offered to build a bridge in exchange for the first living soul to cross it, expecting it to be her, but she outwitted him. More realistically, it was the clever monks at Strata Florida Abbey that actually built the first bridge in the 11th century. 11th century, man. Wow. '11th century, 1750s, and then the 1901. You could just hear that water just gushing, eh? Oh, steep steps. That's my plan. My plan is not to fall. I think you'd fall to your death. Oh my goodness. This is a little bit hairy-berry. Oh my goodness, it gets even steeper. Oh no, I don't like this. Don't know when I become scared of steps as I get older. Just that, wow. Oh my, look, you can't even see, you can't take this in.
What?
You just can't take it all in. It's so loud. Oh my living. It's just rushing through there. You can hear the noise of it. It's so lush and green. You can't even hear yourself, it's so noisy. down to the side of the hill. Oh my living. Look where he's done to the side where he's just pulled it out. My goodness. It's being I just can't believe how quick this is going. It's like nature's washing machine. Up there, we've got to get back up these steps now.
Well, we're coming up there.
Yeah, I know. Up there. And now we're going back up there.
Yeah, just that where I thought it had gone, it must have been hiding behind the building.
Smile for YouTube. It is. It's a little bit raining.
You're getting wet.
It's bucketing down now. We are number 8, and this is